Ginto. Next time, ha, you have to wear your gloves, the groin guard. Every time, sinasabi ko, pag sparring, isuot nyo yung mga groin guard nyo. Mouth guard. Ay, buti pa taga-bundok. Para masanay.
Okay, punch kick, Kay. Counter. Okay, counter, punch kick.
Punch kick! Punch kick! Casey! Casey!
Punch kick, Kay. Okay, punch kick. Okay, counter punch kick. Lakasan mo talaga.
Malipad lang yan.
Oh, malipad lang yan, oh.
Punch kick! Malipad lang yan. Kanina nga ang punch kick na.